I have done 8, 3. 8, 4 have I solved? Yes, 8, 4 I have solved. Okay, so 8, 3 I'll do. See what is 8, 3. Oh, 8, 4. I just did 8, 3. 8, 4. 2 to the power of minus 1. 5 by 3 to the power of 4. What division of addition? Can you tell me division or addition? Addition. So 5 by 2 to the power of minus 1. 5 by 3 to the power of 4 plus 3 by 5 to the power of minus 2, and this is divided by 17 by 9. So first what to do? Carry out the division. 2 to the power of minus 1, 5 by 3 to the power of 4 plus 3 by 5 to the power of minus 2 whole divided by 17 by 9.
9.
Okay. Now what do you see? You see 5 by 3 is the reciprocal of 3 by 5, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I want to convert this negative power to a positive power also. So what I do is
Power.
I want to
We have to
convert this
change it.
negative power to a positive power also in order to simplify. So I convert 2 to the power of minus 1 to half. And 5 by 3 is already with a positive power. And this is a negative power. So this is already a negative power. So I take the reciprocal of 3 by 5 to 5 by 3. And this power gets converted to a positive power divided by 17 by 9. Next half. Now see, these two bases are now same, 5 by 3 and 5 by 3. So I can add them. 5 by 3 5 by 3 to the power of 4 plus 2 divided by 17 by 9. So this is half 5 by 3 to the power of 6 divided by 17 by 9. Okay. So now what? 5 by 3, half 5 by 3 to the power of 6 divided by 17 by 9. Half 5 by 3 to the power of 6 into 9 by 17. Okay. Next, half, let's say, write this as 5 to the power of 6 by 3 to the power of 6 into 9 can be written as 3 square, and this 17 remains as it is. Now this is a to the power of m by a to the power of n. So half into 5 to the power of 6 remains as it is into 3 to the power of 2 minus 6 into and 1 by 17. Is this step okay or not? Anyone who could not understand this step?
Sir, I cannot understand.
This step?
Sir, I also cannot understand.
This step?
Sir, I also can't understand. Sir, I also.
Which step?
Yes, sir.
This step that I am talking about. Fine, let me do two more steps if you cannot understand. Half is you take 1 into 5 to the power of 6 into 3 to the 3 square divided by 2 into 3 to the power of 6 into 17. This is okay. Now what I do is I take all the 3's together. So I write 3 square by 3 to the power of 6. Okay. And the others together. 1 into 5 to the power of 6 by 2 into 17. Now is it okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So now this is what a to the power
Yes,
of m
sir.
by a to the power
Yes,
of
sir.
s. 2 minus 6. 1 into 5 to the power of 6 by 2 into 17. 3 to the power of minus 4 into 1 into 5 to the power of 6 divided by 2 into 17. Okay. Now all these powers are positive, right? And you need to express this in what? As negative exponents. So 3 to the power of 4 is already negative. This can be written as 1 by 2, right? And this can be written as 5 to the power of 6 by 17, right? Or better still, you can write this as into 5 to the power of 6 into 1 by 17. Now is it okay? I can write or not?
Yes, sir.
Now I have to write everything in terms of
Yes,
negative
sir.
exponent. 3 to the power of minus 4. Half can be written as 2 to the power of minus 1. 5 to the power of 6 can be written as 1 by 5 to the power of minus 6. And 17 can be written as 17 to the power of minus 1. So see, all the exponents I have converted to a negative exponent. So that means this is your answer. 3 to the power of minus 4 into 2 to the power of minus 1, okay, into 17 to the power of minus 1 divided by 5 to the power of minus 6. This, see, all the exponents are now negative. Okay. Let us do this one, number 85. So the question here is um, minus 7 whole cube into 1 by minus 7 to the power of minus 9 divided by minus 7 to the power of 10. By BODMAS, first I will carry out the division. Minus 7 cube into 1 by minus 7 to the power of minus 9 whole divided by minus 7 to the power of 10. Okay, so this will become minus 7 cube into 1 by minus 7 to the power of minus 9 divided by minus 7 to the power of 10. So this now can be written as minus 7 cube divided by minus 7 to the power of minus 9 divided by minus 7 to the power of 10. Now this is what? This part e to the power of m by e to the power of n form. So this is minus 7 to the power of 3 minus of minus 9 e to the power of m minus n, and this remains as it is. Now this becomes minus 7 to the power of 12 divided by minus 7 to the power of 10. Now this is again e to the power of m by e to the power of n form. So this can be written as e to the power of m minus n. So this is minus 7 square, but this is a positive exponent. The question was write in negative exponent. So what will I do? Take the reciprocal. Okay, which can also be written as clear. No problem. Yes. Any problem? No.
No, sir.
Acha. Now simplify 9. Which one I have done? 9 1 9 2. So 9 2 I have 9 1 I have left. Let us do 9 1. Let's see if I can finish in 4 minutes because I have 4 minutes left for this session. 49 into z to the power of minus 3 divided by 7 to the power of minus 3. If it disconnects, then you come back, okay? Into z to the power of minus 5. Okay, and is given z is not equal to 0.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you explain the previous question as I have some interruption in my network?
I'll upload the video. You see it, okay? Later. Right
Okay,
now,
sir.
you try to understand.
Okay, sir.
You need to simplify this, okay? So you know 49 can be prime factorized to 7 square into z to the power of minus 3 will be as it is. You write this as it is. 10. You write this as it is 10, or you can write it 2 into 5 also, but no point. There are no 5s or no 2s here. Okay, so this is, now you take the 7s together. 7 square divided by 7 to the power of minus 3. You take the 7s together, you take all the z's together, z to the power of minus 3 divided by z to the power of minus 5. And this 1 by 10 remains as it is. Okay, nothing to do here. So this is e to the power of m by e to the power of n form. So this is 7 to the power of 2 minus of minus 3, z to the power of minus 3 minus of minus 5, and this 10 is divided. 7 to the power of 2 plus 3, right? So this becomes 7 to the power of 5, and z to the power of 5 minus 3 square divided by 10. Okay, so this is your simplified form. This is your simplified form for 1. Now 9 2 I have done. 9 2 there should not be any problem. Okay. Okay.